Hi guys, it's Morgan Christine. Big changes, if you guys can see. We moved. We're in the moving process. Today is Thursday, the June 11th. It's very echoey in here. I'm gonna try to talk kind of softish so it doesn't get out of control. Today is moving day. Tomorrow and Saturday are big furniture. I know is coming, hopefully. My face is really red. I'm sunburnt and I've been cleaning our new apartment. We got the keys this morning at 9 a.m. There's a few things I think they need to work on, but I think that will be today, I'm not sure. My fiance is over at our old apartment getting our beds to be brought over because we do want to sleep here tonight to see how the noise is and stuff. And yeah, I took a shower this morning. I shouldn't have. I should have waited until after I got done here. I'll start with like the front door and work my way around and then go upstairs. I hope you guys like this video. There is going to be maybe moving vlogs. I'm not sure on that one. Let me flip you guys around. Okay, definitely don't need that on. Okay. This is our front door. It kind of looks like a back door because it has our kitchen. There is a screen door. I'm not going to take you guys outside yet, just because it's really bright. We do have a window. But this is, I'm going in my laundry area. But this is our dining room. Our dining room table will sit right up against that. We are a family of 3, but sometimes 4. There is a thing here. It is where our air stuff is and stuff like that. This way, fridge, it's brand new. This is what it looks like. I do have my drink, but that's our fridge so far. Cabinets. We have a window. I just have a couple things there. I did clean the counters, but we are renting, so they are a little damaged. So that's fine. I cleaned the sink. It's all shiny and new. I'm going to put our trash can below here. We have a gas stove. I did clean it, and if you hear the air, it just kicked on. I never used gas, so if you guys have any tips, let me know in the comments. This is my laundry room area from where the sink is. So washer, dryer, I have a shelf. I don't have a washer and dryer right now. We'll be in the market soon for one. I just have a couple things that I need. Floors are tile, pretty much all over. This is the furnace thing. This closet is going to be pantry plus extra storage. I don't think there is a light. I don't think, actually yes there is. Let me guys, there's a whole empty space here. I was almost gonna put a desk here and then step all the way in. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelving for our pantry. I am putting a glass cabinet, I think, in there. We do have a shed, too. This is the living room. Back door, actually. Window. I don't know what that is. Then those are our keys. This is the steps. We're putting a gate up here and at the top for our daughter. This is how the steps look. If you guys have any idea on like mats that we can put down for like slipping, they do squeak. I have this little area right here. I'll back up. I'm thinking about putting a table in this corner with either a light pitcher or a flowers pitcher. I don't know yet. Bathroom. I just cleaned it, so it does stink up here. this is what it looks like by the steps. Mind our bathtub. I used Kaboom and it never came out. I then used Magic Eraser. We do have cabinet storage, toothbrush holder, soap. I have paper towels. Oh, this way. That's in. And then we have a linen closet. I just stored a couple rolls of toilet paper for now. That's what that looks like. There is a little spot right here, but I don't think I could put anything there. I might put the upstairs broom or sweeper if we get one. Okay. Then you have this little hallway. I might put a laundry basket there. And we do have a closet here. Sorry, I'm out of breath. This closet is really small. This could be used as a linen closet. I might use it as a game closet, but I don't know, probably linen. This is our daughter's bedroom, smallest bedroom in the apartment. Okay, walk in, her window. Yes, curtains will go up today. Her closet. That needs to be possibly fixed. There is 3 hooks at the back. She has 2 shelves in all this room for her. So nice. I have her bedding ready to go. Okay, moving across the hall into our bedroom. We have the back door shot, basically. This is my fiance's closet. No, this is mine. Beep, beep, this is mine. 2 shelves, smaller shelves, a rack, floor space, but I get, and this light doesn't work, something they have to fix, but 2 shelves for storage. My fiance has a door. I don't know why there's a gap. This is his. It might look bigger, but it's not compared to mine. His is more elongated. I like that closet over there for my stuff because what I was planning on doing, put storage up there, that's mine. Up here, maybe some pants, my tops. In here, I was going to do some bins to do like my shoes and then like other items, and also Christmas presents could be in here. And we have our bedding. There is a furnace. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm putting our bed right in the middle here, but keeping a distance from here on. And then we're having 2 dresser drawers. And our TV will either go on this wall or this one, probably this one. But a lot of room to grow. Our daughter's bed, she has to sleep on a wall side because she has a bed rail. So it'll probably fit here. And then her easel and stuff. Her one toy storage is actually going to go downstairs, we believe. So let me take you guys downstairs and show you what we're working with. Okay, so we're in the living room. Right here, I was thinking about putting something here, like maybe a coat rack or something right there, I don't know. Our couch is going to go right here, if it will fit in this apartment. That's the only thing. And our TV will either go here or here. And my chair will have to fit in, and so will her toy box. Her toy box could almost probably fit right here too. And then dining table, trash can is going underneath the sink. I'm leaving this space open until we get a washer and dryer, which hopefully will be soon. I did get a new mop. All the cleaning products I used Ajax, this First Force all-purpose cleaner with bleach. It's kitchen and bathroom stain remover. I used a little Mr. Clean, and then I used the Kaboom Foamtastic and paper towels and magic eraser. But I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna turn you guys back around so I can talk to you. Okay, I showed you guys around. Tell me guys your ideas, what you guys like videos. Cleaning videos are gonna be a little more better. I'll show you outside a different day. We are allowed to grill, have a little pool, and we are allowed to plant flowers, fruit and vegetables. We might plant this year, we might not. I do kind of want to. That will be maybe next month or in August. We'll see. We're having my daughter's second birthday party in here. So finally I get to have like a party at our house, which is awesome. I do have to hang up a good bit of curtains. I do want to get some rugs. I want a living room rug because this floor gets super cold. And I want to get a rug for outside both doors to help with traction from outside. I do want to get a washable rug for under the dining table to keep it, nice. For the kitchen, I need to get like either an area rug or get 2 separate ones. I think I have a couple rugs that I can use. Our room, I would like to get one. Our daughter's room, I'd like to get, we have new ones for the kitchen or the bathroom, but I do want one for close by the door, definitely, because one of the doors I'm putting our shoes on, likely. I don't know which door I'll put those on. There is a space, I don't know if you guys can see it, right here. It's small enough where I could put shoe shelf on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this, if you want to see more moving videos, and also subscribe for more content, and also comment your ideas for this apartment. Like, what would you guys like me to do or add? Give me your website ideas, give me your app ideas, give me it all, give me your ideas. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Also stay safe. Also, God bless, and you guys have a great day.